Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. Just want to show you today what I'm doing. So we are going to have a look at this. Just finished this vehicle. It's ready for pickup. So now we're just gonna start it up and I'll show you how quickly you can actually change the mode. So the mode here is 1 is basically soft and 5 is basically track. So the higher the number, it tells you if you want to change the actual mode. When I start the car up, you just if you're happy with the mode you're in, just cancel. Just cancel it. If you want to go to mode 1, see how easy it is. Just go like that, mode 1, and then apply. That is as quick as you can get the actual shock absorber to change. So the pattern from Porsche, they only have hard and sport and normal. But this one here, if you want to go straight to track mode, you go bang, 1, 2 seconds. It took me 2 seconds to change from soft to track mode. If you want 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever you want, you can just go straight there. But I'm going to go back to 1, apply. While you're driving the car, you can change the actual what you want. So you don't have to worry about looking down here and then trying to press the button or down there or whatever you want to do. So we'll go back out. So we're all done now. So basically everything is all back together on the vehicle. Just ready for the customer to come pick it up. Very happy with the actual installation. We might have to do some wheel alignment later on. But I want the customer to drive it, to settle the system into the actual road, and then we'll do some final adjustment later on, and then we'll do a wheel alignment at the end. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And that's just how quickly you can actually change the mode in a Tractive shock absorber system. Give us a call if you want something done to your car. There's a lot of modification work to be done as well, and wiring harness to be run properly, and seat out and all that. So it's a lot of work. You either do it properly or don't do it at all. Okay, so it's very important for you customers to understand that this kind of work takes time, and to do it properly, it takes time. So I've done a lot of work on this vehicle as well. Radiators was done. I had to modify the radiator, so now it's got a middle radiator. What else? Keys, other stuff. I think I listed in the actual video before, but for now, this is all done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.